Hello, I'm Uber Eats for Target.
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going? Oh, not so fast. I noticed you only left me a $2 tip, so...
Yeah, that's all I can afford, sorry.
No, not so fast. You gotta leave me a bigger tip than that, or else I'm not gonna give you your...
Dude, I already paid for it. I don't have to give you a tip. I don't have to... It's a customary thing. Yeah,
I'm an essential worker, okay?
I am broke, bro.
I'm basically a hero without the cape. Can you give me more than $2?
I can't, dude. Just give me my stuff.
Give me more than $2... What did you... Bro, you can afford shorts from Target, but you can't afford to tip me more than $2?
Dude, I bought the car behind you.
You literally drive a Tesla!
I literally can't afford it because I bought it.
Give me a bigger tip now. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna drop this on the ground.
Really?
What else do you got? More shorts! How many shorts do you need?
It's for my girlfriend, dude.
Oh, your girlfriend. Well, go ask your girlfriend to tip me. Maybe she's the one who wears the pants of the relationship.
Do you have a tip? She doesn't have a tip either.
You know what? I'm taking this back to Target. I'm taking this back to...
Dude, I already paid for it.
I had to drive 20 minutes. I had to drive 20 minutes to give you this. I'm going back.